doing Brazilian wax positions. Client has to hold her booty cheek up. The issue with this is that some people have a lot of mobility issues. Depending on, their size, a lot of times you're gonna have to crouch low like this in order to remove everything. I'm the size of a labubu, right? It's not ideal for me to be reaching in here doing this, but the biggest issue is that there are plenty of clients who cannot get into this position. Estheticians will have you lie flat down and spread your booty cheeks like this. I can see most, it's not too bad. The issue too is that down here, some people have booty cheek hair down here. This is not ideal for that skin area being taut. In this position, her skin is naturally taut. Everything naturally opens up and you just apply the wax. This is the position that you have to be in order for your esthetician to get all the hairs. Then your esthetician will probably adjust you a little bit. Maybe she'll do this. Sometimes we have to position them like this to get all the hairs from the bottom booty cheeks. You just have to accept that you will be completely exposed when we're giving you a Brazilian wax.
If you're a waxer who only uses hard wax and you've been maybe thinking about incorporating soft wax, listen, let me tell you something. I have been a hard wax girly since the start. And don't get me wrong, I still love my hard wax, but I think one of the best decisions that I made in my treatment room was incorporating soft wax into my Brazilians. Now, I was a little hesitant because I just feel like as a client, you hear soft wax hurts more and you go online and people are so scared. But let me tell you, my clients love the soft wax. It gives such beautiful results, especially when you have your technique down and you just know how to use it. Trust me, give it a shot and you will see the difference.
Here are some of the biggest mistakes I see waxers do when they start waxing with soft wax, doing Brazilians with soft wax versus hard wax. A lot of them are trying to transition from hard wax to soft wax because schools mostly teach hard wax because they don't know what they're doing. And a lot of people use hard wax. It's really popular, but you can use soft wax for a full Brazilian, labias and all. But here's some of the biggest mistakes that I see girls use is, number one, applying pressure when you are spreading the wax on. With hard wax, you do need to put, sorry, I'm not cutting this, by the way, so I'm not in the mood to edit. I'm clocked out. I've had a week. Okay, so just stick with me here. With hard wax, you do have to apply, not a lot of pressure, but a bit of pressure when you put the wax on. With soft wax, that's a no-go, baby. Barely gliding over the skin, like literally like a whisper, okay? You're just pushing gently with a 90-degree angle, okay? If you start putting pressure on while you're applying the wax, you're gonna pull their hair before you've even ripped it off and it fucking hurts. So don't do that anymore. Number two is rubbing the strip. It's weird and it's uncomfortable and it's unnecessary and it wastes time. Stop doing it, okay? Stop rubbing the strip. You put the wax on, you put the strip on, and you push. Just, if you want, you can go like a situation, okay? It's just like a little like 1, 2, 3, pull. Sometimes I barely push down that much. But you have to like give it a good go. You can't, we're not, if you want to be a Brazilian waxer, you can't be fluffy. You can't just be like, go work in a spa. Go work at Hand and Stone if that's what you want to do. Okay? If you want to be a Brazilian waxer, you have to put pressure. That is where the pressure comes with soft wax. Okay? And then you rip it off. Horizontal.